Gucci has just dropped this limited edition eyeshadow palette with 10 eyeshadow shades into this absolutely beautiful and stunning palette. Is it worth £60? I think it's probably one of those palettes that no one had in their radar. And seriously, guys, it is just so beautiful. The formula is gorgeous. Obviously, that's what I'm wearing today. It's not muddy, it's not patchy. There are all the shades have that somewhat creamy cream to powder finish. It applies beautifully. This is the swatch of the 10 shades. You've got some matte, you've got some shimmer, you satin finish, very soft onto the skin. I'm so sorry, my swatch is kind of going weird down here. Definitely not a cool undertone palette. These are a little bit more of those brown caramel shade. This is a nice golden topper. This is a soft lilac dusty pink. You've got a nice topper here that is more of that white opalescence topper. Here you have purple, pink, and here with another purple again and a nice green. The payoff is amazing as well. However, is this not more like a fall and autumn palette kind of look? I don't know. I feel like Gucci might be a few months too early onto this one. It's gorgeous. I absolutely love it. But surely this is more fall than summer. I don't know. You guys tell me. Let's start playing with the palette. I'm going to start with this shade here. It's kind of the nice pink, dusty pink, like old rose. I'm gonna apply just here, and it looks quite dark in the pan, but it's a very soft pink, or close to a like rosewood, I guess. That's more. It's a matte shade and it applies beautifully. It's very, very soft. It's not patchy. There's nothing, there's no fallout. Oh, I'm liking this very much. Add a little bit of that darker purple shade just in the middle here. It's gonna give a nice transition. They are not too dark. They are kind of shades that you can actually build a lot. Oops. Easy to apply. Different shade. I'm gonna try this satin finish purple here. Pop it in the corner here. I have to say, I still have it, one of the eyeshadow quad from Gucci that came out a few years ago, and I have never used it. I don't even know why I purchased it. The color was just not really my kind of palette, and I was really disappointed with the formula. But this is really good. It applies beautifully. Look at this. It's not muddy. It just glides onto the skin. It's beautiful. Let's go with the first brown shade here in the palette at the top. Just gonna apply some into the crease. You know what? This is a very elegant palette. It's a very much, it's kind of that cocktail hour palette. Look at how elegant and refined this is looking. But it's definitely a warm tone palette. I don't consider any of those shades to have a cool undertone, sadly. And now with a clean brush, I'm gonna clean a little bit around. Let's add some of that kind of that copper brown, a little bit lighter brown shade here, just at the base of the eyelashes. And as a final touch, I'm gonna pop some of that pink satin finish in the inner corner just with my finger. And a little bit of the golden shimmery shade. It is an absolutely stunning palette. If you are looking for something limited edition, something that you can, this for fall is going to be absolutely stunning. I still think it's a bit early in the year for a launch like this. See all the different shaded, different finishes. Look at this golden shimmer at the top here. It is beautiful. I'm gonna add a line of brown eyeliner with some mascara. I'm loving this new eyeshadow palette at Gucci. All right, guys, let's finish this beautiful makeup look. Let's go and apply, well, a Gucci blush from the Flora collection as well. This was sadly limited edition, but I know a few of you have it. I'm sure there is something very similar in your makeup kit. I love this one because it's just so silky. It's absolutely gorgeous onto the skin. It is the 01 Silky Rose. It's blush de Beaute, and it's just worth every penny. Hi, baby gal. Look at how beautiful this is. It just applies beautifully. Hi, gorgeous. I'm also gonna powder my face a little bit with the Gucci palette. I'm gonna use, you know, a lot of Gucci because why not? We are talking about Gucci, and so many products at Gucci are absolutely stunning and beautiful and just such high quality luxury product. This setting powder from Gucci, I have shade 02. It's the Gucci matte powder. I really like it. So just here onto the T-zone like this. Look at this blush. Look at how silky, soft, and somewhat luminous. I'm going to add just a little bit of highlighter from Gucci. I have the shade Arctic Pink. It is a multi-use silky illuminating powder, so it's not necessarily a highlighter. It's, you know, it can be a blush, it can be whatever your heart desires, but I think it's a stunning shade. Definitely more of a cool undertone shade, and it's a little bit like a gel to powder finish, which is really pleasant. And of course I'm going to use my oil in water and oil and water lip stain gloss from Gucci. I am not sure of the name, and the shade is, I think it's Emma Rose Dust. It's 226. It is super long lasting. It gives you a beautiful glossy finish, but it does have a lip stain into it, so it stays in place for so long. It is beautiful. It's a really nice nude shade, but it does get a little bit more dark as it dries up. And this is the final look with the new Gucci eyeshadow palette, the limited edition Flora Orchid eyeshadow palette. I think it's absolutely stunning. It's such a beautiful eyeshadow. I mean, look at this eye look. It's soft, it's delicate, it's elevated, it's, you know what? I think I've changed, I think I've already changed my mind. I thought it was more for fall, but actually, with this whole makeup look going on now, I think it's perfect for summer. I think it's very soft and delicate. I love it so much, guys. It's gorgeous. It's not muddy, it's not patchy. All the shades have blended into each other beautifully. You also, I didn't realize you have the names of the shade at the back of the palette. So you have a sienna brown, a Sierra sand, so somewhat lighter, golden dusk, muted rose, so rosewood, mint dew walnut brown, berry copper, rosy gold, frosted hazel, and sunlit green. It's got a shelf life of 24 months. and it's made in Italy. No wonder I like it so much. As usual, everything will be listed down below for your convenience with the affiliated link if you wish to purchase any of the product that I've used on today's look. The rest of the makeup will also be listed, whatever I've used off camera. Foundation, concealer. I have used the new Patrick Ta Transition Blush to do my concealer and blush. Thank you, baby girl. I know, I feel like there's a little bit of drama around the whole Patrick Ta blush happening at the moment. Merci, gorgeous. The tea is hot with the whole Patrick Ta saga. You know what? I don't care. I absolutely love it. I think it's very elegant. I love how it does transition beautifully, and I've used a non-Patrick Ta blush and it just works wonders. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. I'm so grateful for you to be around. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you at the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, guys.